Right, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions, another project of Karndean Rigid Core LVT flooring. The LVT flooring solutions is really easy to lay and install. This method and system is 5G, as you can see in the video. You tug the long side into the tongue and groove, and the short side you just mallet it down, or you hammer it down, or you roll it down, so you don't have to kind of fold everything up and then click it in like 2G. So this is 5G system. As you can see, I just rolled the short side of the plank. It's got inbuilt underlay, so it's rigid core. Very nice flooring. Anyone could fit 5G. It's a bit expensive than the 2G system. So we've got our cutter, so you can cut with knife, or you can cut it with the LVT cutter as well. And so this is done, and let's move to 2G system, so you can see that one as well. Another color. This is 2G, so you have to lift it like a laminate flooring. So you install it from short side, and then you click the long side. That's how 2G is installed. It's a little bit harder than 5G, so but both are doable and they're nice, and these are both Karndean flooring Van Gogh system. Let's see another color, another project. This is another project, Van Gogh system, 5G. We just done it a few days ago. And there'll be more video to watch and see, and I hope you learn. And always try, if you've got the budget, get the 5G one. It's quite easy to lay and install. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.